Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video I wanted to explain to you why it's important to get the brake dust off of the rims of your car. But before I get into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss any of the great content. If you have a question, leave a comment and I will reply back to you. So now what happens, this wheel doesn't look that bad on camera, but it has a ton of brake dust on it. And what happens is if you leave the brake dust on your wheel and you don't clean it off, it may eat away at the clear coat on your wheel. It could discolor the wheels, and if you leave it on there for a long time, it might even pit the wheels and just dull them out. So we're coming off the winter months here up here in New England, and the winter just wreaks havoc on cars. So I've been compiling a bunch of tips on our channel, how to clean your car, keep things clean, and some great washing solutions and stuff like that. But as you can see, I'll get a little closer. You can see some of the brake dust that is on it. I just washed the vehicle off, the pressure washer, and nothing gets that coating off. So you have to do that by hand. One of the products that I've been using for a while is the McGuires wheel cleaner. It is safe for clear coat wheels. I haven't had a problem with it. I've been using it on a lot of my vehicles for quite a while now, and it's been pretty good. So I'll show you how it works and how it'll lift off like the brake dust of your wheels and keep them looking good. Just wet these wheels down. So you want to wet the wheels down first. Make sure that they're not hot and that they're cold and not in the sun. And you just spray the product on, and you'll see it start to lift like all the grime off. So you want to let it sit for like 30 seconds. Usually what I'll do is I'll go right to the rear wheel, so one of the other wheels, while that one's sitting, hit this wheel with some product, and it'll start to lift all that grime and brake dust off your wheel. Right, so you can see all the grime that this is lifting off of the wheel and the tires. Just get a sponge and hand wash your wheels. It'll get all the brake dust off of there and all the road grime, and it'll help to keep your wheels looking good. That way they won't oxidize and discolor on you. Well, it takes a couple minutes. Kind of go all around. Then just wash them off. Right, so they didn't look that bad at the beginning of the video, but look at them now. They're pretty shiny, they look great. That's pretty much it. Just make sure you get everything off the wheels. Use a wheel cleaner that is safe for clear coats and whatever it is that you're cleaning, whether it's aluminum. Read the labels on the product. I happen to like to use that one. Most of the vehicles I have factory wheels on it, except for my Jeep. But I use that product on my Jeep too, and it's kept my wheels and tires in great shape. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to join the channel. Thanks for watching.